This is the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar in order for the notification and control panel to be, well, launched. Then expand the available shortcuts you have over here, find the Wi-Fi button, touch and hold on it. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to, then tap on it. And at the following page you'll get, that is the network details. The very first section you'll see is Wi-Fi QR code. That is exactly the section you want to go for. And once tapped on, it will provide you with not only the QR code that you can scan to automatically connect to the chosen network, but also the actual password itself right over here, which can be used as the manual way of logging into the Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.